Alright.
Run it out now.
Ooh. Ooh.
876 stream.
How you doing? Nice to meet you. Alright, so. On Track is Stream's latest YouTube series where I, the journalist, will take you along through the 2024 track and field series. Sprints and distance runners, high, long, and triple jumpers. Every shot we put, every difficult. You get it? I'm hilarious. We'll be trying to keep you in the loop the entire season. Okay, great. Sounds like something I watch?
Before you started talking, I've been maybe like listen intensely, but yeah, I don't like what I heard.
So you never listen intently?
Yes, I was, but you started. You should have told me.
Okay, Kat, listen to this. Welcome to 876 Stream on Track.
Green, Jamaica College. Carty, Jamaica College. Palmer, Calabar. Ajuku, Kingston College. Casey, Campion College. Palmer, Alfonso Davis. Do it again, Anderson, Tatius Golden. Jamaica College, Cole, Kingston College, Wardlow, Kingston College, Amberton, Jamaica College, Lawson, Jamaica College, Jarrett, Titfield, Kiprock, Kingston College, Griffiths, Camperdown, Reed, and Green of their Tech. And they are off. Coming around the bend. Jamaica College. That's Hector Benjamin.
Well, Serena Cole got a flyer. BRIANA Williams right there, and Clayton is stormed to the line, close indeed.
First race of the season, starting off with a quick 60. Talk to us about the race.
I'm really pleased and happy with my time just to see where I'm at. This is just the start of something new. Getting ready for indoors, and I just want to, keep going and getting the technique right, because for 60 you cannot mess up, and I'm just trying to get the technique right, and I'm really, really happy with this 7-11 tonight. I definitely feel brand new. I feel healthy. I feel fit, and tonight just showed me that what's been going on in training is really showing and paying off.
And the mindset going into the 2024 season, talk to us about that.
Ooh, different mindset. I'm just kind of trying to keep focused and on the goals this year, and to not get off track, mentally and physically right. And I just want to go out there and show my results for proof for it.
So next step, you said indoor?
Yes, so I'll be gearing up for the World Champs. So next week I have Boston, and the week after Milrose. So that's all leading up to the World Champs indoor.
Big waves at the ocean, yeah. When it is there is a loud explosion, women the commotion.
Okay, so word on the street is this may be one of the one of the better Queen's Grace Jackson meets so far, in the last 2-3 years.
I think so. With the pandemic, I think everybody know, limiting the number of events. So, there are 200 meters, no 100 meters. So I think that helped with moving the schedule a lot faster, because even the 200 meters, they ran off really quickly. The times were uploaded very fast. Big up to Rasta athletes.
Big up Rasta.
Yeah, we have to big them up for that.
That is it.
And the performances were pretty decent. Based on the time of the season and the work being done. Happy to see the results of it. And, like I said, it's always good when you're moving ahead of time.
So we were having a discussion a while ago with BRIANA, and she was telling us about indoor and outdoor. Indoor World Indoors is coming up.
Yeah.
Do you think athletes, where do you think they prefer, indoor or outdoor?
I think our local-based athletes prefer the outdoor. It's easier for us. It's what we are accustomed to. It's not like we have an indoor training facility, all right? It's not like we have an indoor training facility. So with the outdoor, it's a lot easier, as well as it gives our athletes a little bit more time to get into their own, the outdoor season. But I think, though, they enjoy the indoor because it's not something that they're very much accustomed to. So it's a different vibe, especially for those who don't go to college overseas. I think for local-based athletes, them enjoy it.
All right, and the last question I want to have here, the wild card, now have nothing to do with today.
Oh.
Boom. So our next thing, with our reason from the inside, we say, between the two 400 men right now, so between Antonio Watson and Rashawn Clark, right? Who you think have more pressure going into this season?
Naturally, it will be the champion. Because he has won. What more can he do? So people will be looking, will he repeat the victory in Paris, and what time he will do? For Rashawn, the pressure is going better. Can he get to another final? And will he keep improving his time? The 400-meter hurdles is the best event. It is a hot race. But for me, more pressure going into Paris, I think, will definitely be Antonio. It's not so much him putting it on himself, but just the sport itself. Them are going to say, I wonder if him can go faster. Wonder if him can win again.
Was it a fluke?
Yeah, and whenever, especially being a Jamaican, winning the 400 meters for the first time in 40 years, the world is going to be looking. But I think he will handle it well. True. And for me, whether he's first, second, or third, or just making a final, I'm always proud. 400 meter,
Big up Peter's
Field. Big up Peter's Field, big up Michelle Woolery. We always have to give credit to where it really started.
Indeed.
And Glenn Mills and Patrick Dawson, they've done a tremendous job.
True.
Yeah, man.
All right, big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
Are you okay with your head back in the shot? That's low.
Where?
Right there. There, it's the two camera lens. That's my bro, Jamal. And this is the mic right here. Cut.
876 stream.